In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock an envelope in Docusign. Locking an envelope is an essential step to ensure that your sensitive documents remain secure and are only accessible to authorized individuals. We'll guide you through this process in just a few minutes, making it clear and straightforward. First, we're going to start by heading over to the Docusign website. Docusign is a leader in electronic signature solutions, widely recognized for its intelligent agreement management capabilities. Once you're on their homepage, you'll want to find the login button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, but for this tutorial, we are assuming you have one set up already. Once you're logged in, your next destination is the Docusign home. This is the main dashboard where you will find an array of options and features to manage your documents. Look for the home option in the navigation menu and click it. This is your hub for all things Docusign. Now that you're on the home page, you'll want to direct your attention to the templates section. Templates in Docusign help streamline repetitive tasks by using preset document formats. Click on Templates to view all your existing templates. This will take you to a page where all the templates you have created or have access to are stored. Next, locate the template you want to work on. Find the three-dot icon next to the template. This icon usually represents more options or additional actions you can take regarding this template. Click this icon and you'll see a drop-down menu with different options. From this menu, choose the Edit option. Clicking this will allow you to make necessary changes to your selected template. Entering the edit mode provides you with the flexibility to modify any part of the template to better fit your current needs. Once you're in the editing environment, look for Advanced Options. This feature enables you to access additional security and customization settings for your template. Click on Advanced Options to proceed. Finally, we arrive at the crucial step of locking your envelope. To secure your template with a password, you need to find and click on Template Password. By setting a password, you ensure that only individuals who possess this password can access and modify the envelope, adding an extra layer of protection to your document. And that's it! By following these steps, you have successfully locked your envelope in Docusign, ensuring your documents are secure and access controlled. Thank you for watching, and be sure to keep this guide handy for the next time you need to lock a document.